if your screen on Motorola Edge 70 Pro is orange or yellow, in order to fix this, we're gonna go to Settings. So open Settings on your phone, then scroll down a little bit and choose Display option. Now here in Display Settings, we should be able to find the nightlight option, which we can easily disable. You can of course tap on the nightlight option as well to adjust the intensity here by moving left and right to decide how strong this orange filter should be. But of course you can just turn it off completely. Now in case it is not the nightlight, the reason why you have this yellow or orange filter, then you can also check out the colors option here in Display Settings again. You probably want to make sure that, for example, the vivid option selected is definitely like the brightest and the widest. And also here we have the color temperature adjustment. So if you have like a yellow color selected in here, or just the warm option, then you might feel like the screen is slightly yellowish. So you can tap on the default in order to fix that. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.